Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. So on the gold market, not much to talk right now because technical situations, technical analysis still shows that markets overextended to the market, but overextended to the upside. But currently, as you understand, the market mostly is driven by the fundamental factors, and in particular, as you know, that the recent Fed statement has shaken the market across the board. And gold's not an exception. As a result, despite that market turned strongly on the overbought on the weekly chart, it was able to show the rally and hit finally the daily COP target, the 1380. So we haven't thought that will happen so fast, but in general, we can't say that we were absolutely not prepared to this action. At the same time, it doesn't change the core from the technical point of view, because sooner or later, but retracement, deep retracement probably should happen. And following the technical analysis, situation has not changed, and despite that market climbs higher, the overall situation stands the same. As market is overextended from the technical point of view, you can't take the long position right at the overbought. So now market stands at overbought on daily and weekly chart. And as retracement to the downside probably will be moderate, this will be possible to buy gold at a better price. And currently, the overall view on the market is the same. We have a bullish view. We think that the gold market stands in the turning point to the global long-term bull trend, but we do not see yet a suitable point for taking long position on the gold market. So we need some reasonable retracement. And we can't call to buy gold when it stands overbought as on a daily as on the weekly chart, and especially at the COP target as well. So from that standpoint, the daily view mostly stands the same. At the same time, in the current circumstance with this big rally to the upside, it's very uncomfortable to take any bearish trades. So I don't know whether you will be comfortable with trading gold on the short side, but on the hourly chart, what we could say, we could minor ABCD extension, market hits the COP. Well, theoretically, it is possible to take the short position, but you already know what is going on, what happens with any bearish setup that was forming on the gold market recently. So just yesterday we talked about this perfect bearish setup with the free drive pattern. It was a overbought condition. So all ratios coincides, and in general by the shape, this was perfect setup till this moment where we last time taking a look at it. But as soon as Jerome Powell starts to speak, you can see market shows the rally, total disrespect, and erase this pattern. So just break it up without any respect and any chance to take the long short position here. So in these circumstances, yes, we theoretically could get some bearish setup here. Maybe it's Gardi's triple to sell buoy as I drawing here. Maybe some other patterns will be formed. And if you have the competency and you would like to trade it short, well, it is possible. But it will be difficult psychologically trying to go short against this rally on the market and thinking that in any time, so gold market could show this another rally to the upside. So another pattern that you could keep an eye on, maybe kind of the bread and butter could be formed here, or some Judd Napoli upward continuation pattern could be formed. In this case, the long position on the intraday charts could be taken, but with the profit taken around the previous stop, because market stands at the overbought. So that just these two stops that we have from the gold market. But they are really short term, and currently at this moment we do not have something really available, no patterns as on the bearish side as on the bullish side yet. Of course, we are mostly watching for daily chart and waiting for retracement here, because that is our major time frame for trading. And here, unfortunately, market is struggling with the verbal and doesn't let us to take part with this just because it's driving by the fundamental news. And in this case, the technical analysis takes the backseat, and as you can see, the normal price action, normal technical indicators do not work when the Fed step in. In this case, we just need to see and wait when the market will come down a bit, starts to driving back by the economical factors. In these circumstances, it could show a reaction on the verbal. And I think that sooner rather than later we will get this retracement and we will get attractive and suitable entry point on the gold market. So that's actually all that we have on the gold right now.